This one is a little bit on the, my prediction here is a little on the, when I see everybody else zig.
Short form warriors. I knew I'd stolen that phrase from somewhere. I think it was you. Sorry.
That's okay. It's all just, just that share part. So, zigging, and then I want to zag. I want to be able to look and say, okay, everybody's saying this, but there's actually, with all this inflation, and especially like I said, I feel like rents are up like 20 to 30% for a lot of people, and a lot of people are really struggling financially. So I think affordably priced, reliable, independent 1040 tax preparers, people that maybe have some business clients, but their main business is 1040 tax prep, will retain and regain significant market share in that kind of more, where you can do that kind of work at a lower cost and still do a good job. And obviously you have to have the processes set up to do that. So the preparation on my side will be.
Can I interrupt you on that? Because I just want to highlight it. If you guys are not familiar with Andy and his team, I mean, this is their business, right? They have year-round clients, but most of their revenue in their tax business comes during that season, right? That's accurate, right, Andy?
Yeah, and I think just there's always kind of a special place in my heart for that kind of tax preparation. I actually miss it a lot in the sense of like, I started off doing $35, $40 tax returns, right? And do like 20 or more a day. Right. So when you're efficient with it and you're really good and you have your client, it's become harder because taxes have become more complex, even on the lower end of the spectrum. So you have to be careful.
We're not advocating that pricing, by the way.
Yeah, absolutely not. No, this was in like 2001. So this was, far in the back, right?
It was underpriced even then, Andy. But yes.
But just think of it realistically, right? Like how many middle income and lower income or even higher income people are like, you know what? I feel like I'm paying too much for everything right now. And, for people that haven't, we've already initiated the price increases over the past few years. So I would be a little careful, if you have great value in what you're doing, by all means, but if I can have a service that junior team members can fulfill without involvement from senior team members, and it can get into that lower price point for people, I actually think that's an opportunity this upcoming tax season.